We have to assemble timber loader. Done! It's time to fuel. You're doing really great. Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go! The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Timber loader. Amazing! Vehicle park. We need to assemble hydraulic hammer. Keep it up. Help the car reach its destination. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road. Tap on all the objects to clear. That's all. Let's crack the biggest rocks. Keep building. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go! Choose the next game. We need to wash. Hydraulic hammer. Ready. On vehicle park. We have to assemble bulldozer. That's all. It's time to fuel. Bulldozer. Amazing! We need to prepare everything for the digging machine. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go! The light is red. Let's stop in front of an intersection. Choose the next game. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Done! First, we need to assemble. Excavator. Amazing! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on the right tool. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Hooray! Let's dig a pit. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. You're doing really great. Fur. Hooray! It's time to fuel. Dumper. Keep up the good work. Let's make a sand blanket. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Dumper. Ready. Tamper. Keep it up. Help the car make its way. Move the part to its place. Tap on all the objects to clear the way. Done! Let's firm sand up. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. We need to wash. Tamper. That's all. Auger. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Auger. Hooray! Let's create holes for piles. Need to wash. Auger. Keep it up. Pile driver. Hooray! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road. Ready. Let's drive the piles for the foundation. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. That's all. Drop side truck. Amazing! It's time to fuel. Drop side truck. Try another refueling gun. That's all. Let's prepare for the concrete pouring. To wash. Drop side truck. Done! to wash. Cement mixer. Don't stop. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. It's time to fuel. Drop side truck. Don't stop. Let's build a frame. Cement mixer. Amazing! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Pull the lever down to clear the way. Pull the lever down to lower it. Ready. Let's put concrete for the foundation. We need to wash. Drop side truck. Keep it up. Crane truck. Amazing! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on all the objects to clear the way. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Keep it up. Let's install the roof. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Don't stop. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Keep it up. Let's finish the walls. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. You're doing really great. Bucket lift. We did it! The car has to overcome the obstacles. Help it! Tap on the tool that will help remove the Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road. Hooray! We need to protect the house from foul weather. Let's wash. Bucket lift. That's all. Assemble. Lift crane. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Lift crane. Don't stop! Let's finish the porch. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. We did it! Garbage truck. Hooray! Help the car make its way. Move the part to its place. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Done! Let's remove the construction waste. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Amazing! Drop side truck. Drag the part to the right place. Hooray! It's time to fuel. Drop side truck. We did it! Let's plant the trees in the yard. We need to wash. Drop side truck. Keep it up. Drop side truck. Don't stop. Help the car make its way. Tap on a suitable tool. Pull the lever down to lower it. We did it! And now we can finish construction. Hooray! You've built a beautiful house.